Oh, come ye hear the fight to shun, or herd the sheep with me, man? Or were ye at the Sherramuir, or did the battle see, man? I saw the battle sair and chuch, and reeking red ran many a shook. My heart for fear gae sook for sook, to hear the thuds and see the cluds o' clans fae woods and tartan duds waggle that kingdom's free, man. Hey dum hidderum hey dum dan, hey dum hidderum hey dan, hey dum hidderum hey dum dandy, hey dum hidderum hey dan. The redcoat lads with black gads to meet them when they slow, man. They rushed and pushed and blood out gushed, and many a puke did fall, man. The great Argyle led on his files, and what they glance for 20 miles. They hogged the glans like 9-pin kiles. They hacked and hashed while broadswords clashed. Through they dashed and hewed and smashed till fame and died of war, man. Hey dum hidderum hey dum dan, hey dum hidderum hey dan, hey dum hidderum hey dum dandy, hey dum hidderum hey dan. Had you seen the fill of eggs with Skyre and tartan trews, man, when in their teeth they'd order wakes and coven and true blues, man. Lines extended long and large, bayonet overpowered the targe. Thousands hastened to the charge, with heel and wrath they fay the sheath, drew blades of death till loot of breath they fled like frighted does, man. Hey dum hidderum hey dum dan, hey dum hidderum hey dan, hey dum hidderum hey dum dandy, hey dum hidderum hey dan. They lost some gallant gentlemen among the Hieland clansman. I fear my Lord Panmure is slain, or in his enemy's hands, man. But you sing this double flight, some died for wrong and some for right. Many bade the world good night, say bells and elbow muskets knell. Tories fell and Whigs to hell flew up in frighted bands, man. Hey dum hidderum hey dum dan, hey dum hidderum hey dan, hey dum hidderum hey dum dandy, hey dum hidderum